Hello every student, welcome to DD Central Academy. Today we are going to study about science of class 6th. Okay, today your first chapter will be food. Where does it come from? Okay, you already understand the meaning of this chapter name. Okay, so if every student you are ready, then let's start your first chapter. Okay, so today your topic will be first topic will be food, and second essential of food, and third ingredients. Okay students, so let us start your first topic, food. What is the food? So now we are going to discuss about what is the food and how to take food and why this is necessary for us and other all living organisms. Okay everybody, so we defined what is the food. A useful substance that eat by animals and us, and they are provided energy our body is called food. Okay, again defined it, a useful substance that we eat and animals, and this is provided energy to our body is called food. Okay, food means you know that about the food. Okay, if any student know about any food, then tell me fast, because I want to see my students. So okay, you can tell your things by the comment, but come to the topic. Your topic is the food. So exactly I describe about, but now we give the example. The examples of food may be fruits, vegetables, pulses, rice, chapati, wheat, etc. They are the food. Okay, so again listen everybody, what is the food? A useful substances eaten by we and animals are called food, and also it is provide energy to our body. Okay, confirm, not problem. Okay, so your new topic will be essential of food. Okay, ignore it, and everybody think and tell me why necessary? Because essential means necessary. Needed means exactly how we needed and why we needed food for us and other living organisms. If you know already, then tell me fast. Okay, I wait you. So every student tell me why necessary food to us and our body. Okay, so I also taught you about the essential of food. Why food essential of our body? So giving the many reasons, and by the many regions we also take the food, because food provide nutrients our body, and it is provide also energy, it is repair our body damaged part, and it is protect from the disease to us. Okay, so let us understand deeply why essential of food to us. So there are many following reason which causes food essential to us. First, what is the first reason why this is essential? Food provide energy. It is provide energy to us. The first essence of the food, it is provide energy to our body, because when we eat the food, then we find the energy, and this energy is used our many body function, like the talking, walking, and playing, writing, studying, etc. They are the function, and all function necessary to the energy. So exactly this energy comes from where? Right, this is obtained by the food. Okay, so first essential of the food I tell, it is provide energy to our body. Okay, understand everybody? And next point will be, it is provide or repair the damaged part of our body. It is repair damage. Okay, it is repair damaged part of our body, damaged part by the hitting or any injury. So by the food we get the nutrients like the vitamins, protein, carbohydrate, etc. They are help to the repair our body part like the tissue and cell. And you know that our body formed by the trillions numbers of cell, right? Our body formed by the trillions numbers of cells, and these cells formed a tissue. If tissue are damaged, then our body are injured. Okay, but if we take the food properly and healthy food, then by the food they are repaired. Okay, so our next topic will be food repair damaged body part, cell and tissue. Okay, understand? And third point, it is gave us nutrition. Food gave us nutrition. Right, I said food gave us nutrition. Okay, everybody understand? And fourth point, it is protect from the disease. I said food protect from disease. Disease means many disease like cholera, bacteria, tetanus, and nowadays coronavirus separate in our country. So this is also they are the disease. Okay. So I revise this topic. Our topic will be essential of food. Why essential food to us? So I said there are many following reasons which causes food essential for us. First, food provide energy to us. This energy is used our many body function. And next, food repair our damaged part of body like the cell and tissue. And next, it is provide nutrition our body. Nutrition means they gave us vitamins, lipids, carbohydrate and protein. And you know that protein is the bodybuilder of our body, because by the protein our body cell also growth continuous and very fast. Okay. And next, food protect to us from the many disease. Okay, everybody understand? So this topic is completed, but have any problem? Then said me immediately. Okay, so your new topic will be ingredients. What is the meaning of ingredients and how will we define it? So ingredients means, student, you also evenly eat by the food items, and also you daily take the food, and in your food present the many food items like the pulses, vegetables, chapati, rice and etc. Other food items. In any festival you formulated the many other types of food items. So they are formulated by the different type material. For example, if we take an example like the rice, cooked rice. Okay, I said cooked rice, and everybody know also how to formulate the cooked rice. So a cooked rice formatted by the rice and water. Right, I said cooked rice formatted by the rice and water. Okay, let us understand cooked rice. Cooked rice made up by two ingredients. First, rice and second, water. I said cooked rice made up by two ingredients, rice and water. So these materials are called ingredients, but they are only ingredients of cooked rice. But remember this point, a food item have different types of ingredients like a halwa. Halwa is formed by the suji, ghee, oil and other. Okay. So exactly again understand what is the ingredients. Materials that needed for prepare of any food items are called ingredients. You understand by a short examples. I take examples cooked rice. This is made by two rice and water. So its ingredients rice and water. If anyone asks with you what is the ingredients of cooked rice, then tell you rice and water, because they are the ingredients of cooked rice. But what is the ingredients of pulses? If you know, then tell me fast. Okay, everybody. So exactly pulses. Pulses have more ingredients like the pulses and water, spices and oils and salt. Yes, I also use the salt in formation of pulses. Okay, you understand how to identify the ingredients. Ingredients means material required to prepare of any food is called ingredients. Okay, everybody understands. So this topic is completed, but in these topic, if any student have any problem, then tell me. Okay. So your topic revise again. Today your topic will be food and then essential of food and ingredients, and why essential of food. This causes also written at the side of this heading, and also ingredients example written at the upper side of the whiteboard, because cooked rice is the food item and is made of two ingredients, rice and water, and other food items you also write, and also write its ingredients that prepared evenly your daily life at your home. Okay student, you understand me? But today your topic is completed, but that topic also taught you today. These topic you will be write on your fair notebook. Okay, so every student completed your topic and also write the some ingredients. I tell you write the ingredients of vegetables, potato vegetables. Okay, everybody write now. First time you write the ingredients, potato vegetables, then halwa, and next pudding. I said pudding. Third point pudding, and other food items that evenly formed your home, because I want to see you if you identified the cooked food like the rice and water, they are the ingredients contained, and like that food items tell you for writing, you also write the ingredients like the cooked food. Okay, so everybody understand? Okay, so today I want to leave your class because time is over. Okay, so next day we will discuss about the next topic, and today every student have a good day.